I'm Dr. Kiran Chokha, sports medicine, joint replacement and orthopedic surgeon. I have been practicing sports medicine, orthoscopic surgeries, joint replacement surgeries since last 11 to 12 years. I have operated more than 4 to 5,000 surgeries. Among that, I have done more than 1,000 knee replacement surgeries. Today, I'm here to talk about joint replacement surgeries. The possible complications involved with joint replacement surgeries are like infection, periprosthetic fractures, dislocations, anterior knee pain. These complications can be minimized if the surgery is done using the better implants and at a better operation theatre, well equipped for the joint replacement surgery, and it is done by someone who is well trained. I mean, the surgeon who is doing it has to be well trained to do this surgery.